The biggest mistake you can make when trying to monetize AI is waiting until you feel ready. Perfectionism stops most people before the starting line. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to break that habit. We are going to walk through a strict, day-by-day roadmap that takes you from having zero ideas to launching your very first AI-generated digital product in exactly 1 week. You do not need venture capital, and you do not need to know how to write a single line of code. Right now, all it takes to build a revenue stream is an internet connection, one free AI tool, and the willingness to publish your work. Looking at the endless list of new models and software updates can easily make you feel lost. The landscape is massive, but we are going to ignore almost all of it to focus on a highly specific, repeatable framework. Earning real income here is not about possessing elite technical expertise. It is simply about executing a structured, rapid timeline to get your first asset live. Here's exactly how to do it. Step 1 covers days 1 and 2. Your only job is to select one AI platform and one niche audience. Trying to learn image generators, voice cloners, and video editing simultaneously leads to burnout. Pick one path and stick to it. Spend this initial block of time exploring existing marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad. Look for simple, high-demand digital items like Canva templates or targeted prompt packs that you can replicate and improve. Now we move to days 3 and 4. This is the milestone where you stop researching and start actively building your digital asset. Open your chosen AI tool and prompt it to generate a detailed outline based on the research you gathered. Then prompt it section by section to draft the actual content. You are the director, and the AI is doing the heavy lifting of creation. Remember our rule about perfectionism? Your guide or template does not need to be flawless. It only needs to solve a specific problem clearly and accurately for your specific audience. A completed, functional product that people can actually buy is infinitely more profitable than a pristine idea that never leaves your hard drive. Get it done. On day 5, you are going to set up your digital storefront and upload the product you just created. Avoid the trap of evaluating dozens of different hosting options. Select a single beginner-friendly platform like PayHip or Gumroad that charges 0 upfront fees and create your account. By completing this step, you possess a live URL link capable of securely collecting customer payments from anywhere in the world and tapping into the platform's existing audience. Day 6 is where you step out from behind the scenes and make your critical transition to public promotion. Publish one post on your preferred social media platform. Do not write a hard sales pitch. Instead, simply tell the story of the problem you faced, how you used AI to solve it, and what you built. Drop your storefront link at the end. You do not need a massive following to start. At this scale, a focused group of 500 engaged followers who need your specific solution will generate more consistent sales than a broad, disinterested audience of thousands. Documenting your process like this is called building in public. It establishes authentic trust with your viewers, which converts casual readers into paying customers much faster than traditional, polished advertising. That brings us to day 7. With your product live and your first post published, your operational focus shifts entirely to reviewing the initial data. Open your storefront dashboard and check 2 baseline metrics: the amount of weekly traffic visiting your page and the overall percentage of those visitors who complete a purchase. Use these numbers to analyze what parts of your process worked well and identify exactly where you experienced friction so you can fix it. Immediately channel those insights into conceptualizing and outlining your second product. Apply what you learned to make the next drafting process smoother. Maintaining this relentless, day-after-day momentum of building and reviewing is the true hidden engine behind long-term monetization. Once you complete this 7-day roadmap, you have officially graduated to level 1 of the AI business scale. You have a real asset in the market. Your next objective is level 2. This requires expanding your portfolio to at least 5 products, creating multiple streams of passive income that can catch different segments of your niche. Scaling up isn't about working more hours. By level 3, you'll be building systems where AI handles your email sequences and customer FAQs, allowing the business to run with decreasing manual effort. Your plan is ready. Open your calendar right now. Block out 30 minutes for your day 1 research session and pick your primary tool.